hope you all are doing well. Today we have come up with an Indian sweet which is known as the Ras Malai. We have made this sweet at home. It's extremely delicious and just melts in the mouth. So let's see this recipe. In a pan, taken 500 ml of milk. I have taken full cream milk over here. Let this milk come to a boil. Now lower the flame. Now to this boiling milk, add a pinch of saffron. You can also infuse the saffron in milk first, dissolve it and keep it for an hour or so, and then add it to this milk. I'm directly adding the saffron strands here and mixing it nicely. Now we'll let the milk reduce a little on low flame. The saffron's color and flavor are infused into this milk. Now we are going to add sugar. I'm adding half cup of sugar here. If you like it less sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar. Mix it till all the sugar dissolves nicely into this milk. Add in 1/4 to half cups of chopped nuts. I have used almonds, pistachios and cashews over here. Give it a mix and let it cook for 5 minutes. To this I am going to add 1/8 teaspoon of yellow food color. This is optional. If you don't like food color, you can avoid it. Let it come to a nice boil. Now add in around 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a mix. Now take in a bowl, on it keep a sieve, and I'm going to cover it with a muslin cloth. Keep this aside. Another bowl, take in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, to which we are going to add 3 tablespoons of water and mix it nicely together. Now keep this aside till we boil the milk. So in another pot, take in 1000 ml of milk. Let it come to a nice boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in the vinegar and water solution that we had kept aside. We are going to add this solution little at a time. That is around 1 tablespoon of solution at a time, and stir the milk. We want the milk to curdle. We want the milk solids in the whey to be separated. So this is how the whey and the milk solids will look. So our milk solid and whey have separated. To this we are going to add ice cold water. You can also add 10 ice cubes in. I don't have ice cubes, so I have added water. Now strain this on the muslin cloth that we had kept ready. This process has to be done very quickly. If you let the milk solid stay in the whey for a long time, it will turn hard. So now I am removing the water that is collected beneath in the bowl, because I want to wash this milk solid nicely. This is known as chana. So we are going to wash it in cold water nicely so that the smell of the vinegar goes off. After washing this nicely, we'll just drain out excess water from the milk solids. So just squeeze it. I have tied it, and you can hang it nicely somewhere for around 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I have taken a plate. On it I am going to remove this chana and put it in a plate. Now we are going to knead this and make it into a soft ball. See, it's dried, all the water, excess water has come off. Now knead this with the heel of your hand. I am transferring this to a larger plate because that will make it easy for me to knead it. You can see it when you are kneading it with the heel of your hand. It's becoming smooth and sticky. This process we have to do for around 8 to 10 minutes. So you can see now it's all becoming smooth and coming nicely together. After around 8 to 10 minutes, add in 1 teaspoon of corn flour to this. And again knead it. If you feel the chana is a little dry, you can also add water to this, like a few drops of water at a time, and knead it. Now this is fine, our chana looks perfect. Now I'm going to knead it like this. Just rotate the plate and knead it. Now our chana ball is ready. Now we'll divide it into small balls. You can make around 8 to 10 balls with 1 liter of milk. After dividing it into equal size small balls, take one ball at a time and roll it between your palms to make it into a smooth, flat disc. So roll it likewise and just flatten it with your palms. It should be crack free and smooth. So this is how the balls will look, and we have made all the balls ready. Now let's cook these balls in the sugar syrup. For that we have to prepare the sugar syrup. For that, in a bowl or a pot, take in around 2 cups of sugar. To this we are going to add 6 cups of water. Boil this together to get a sugar syrup. Once the sugar boils nicely, we are going to add the balls that we had kept ready. So here are the 8 discs that we had kept ready. We are going to add it to the sugar syrup one at a time. You can see it will float up. So we are going to boil this on high flame for around 5 minutes uncovered. After 5 minutes, lower the flame and cover this pot with a lid and let it cook for another 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. After around 10 minutes, remove the lid and flip the chana disc on the other side and cook for another 10 minutes with the lids on. So here in total we have cooked this chana disc for around 25 minutes. So it's ready. At this point it will be really spongy. You can see the sponginess by pressing it with a spoon. So now we'll remove all these chana discs. Now we are going to add this chana disc to the rabdi that we made earlier. This rabdi has to be warm. If it is cooled down, just warm it a little. Now add the chana disc to this one by one and leave it in room temperature till all these discs absorb the rabdi and become more spongy and fluffy. Leave it in room temperature till it cools down nicely, and then before serving you can chill it and serve it. So after letting the ras malai chill in the fridge, now we are going to serve it. You can see how spongy the texture is. Ras malai tastes amazing when served chilled. Garnish this ras malai with some chopped nuts. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.